Interesado sa buhay ng kanilang mga bisita.
Boyfriends.
Ilang boyfriend niya?
Wala akong kasintahan, ganito yan Yung bahay namin, ginawang boarding house. And then, nakakagusto ako doon sa lalaki. Yung naging husband ko ngayon. So, what I did, sumama sa kanya, I live by my parents. Galit ang mama ko. Very bad habit,
Okay lang, di ba? First love mo siya?
Ha?
First
Oh, yes, first love.
Did you finish school?
I'm teaching already.
You're teaching? You're young, you learn Spanish?
I know how to speak Spanish.
Te amo, Lola Lourdes.
Amoritis, Davis que Galatote.
Pero ang bisita nilang si Lola Vita mukhang interesado naman sa takbo ng buhay ng housemate sa bahay ni Kuya.
Wala din kayo relo. Bawal sa inyo.
Cellphone po, wala. TV po, hindi pwede gamitin.
Kahit sila relo, wala kayo.
Bawal.
Bawal. Sabi ng madre? Oo.
Sabi po ni Kuya,
Big brother.
Big brother.
Big brother. Yun ang talagang mission ninyo. Ganyan, puro bawal.
Puro bawal.
Puro bawal. Bakit pumunta pa kayo sa Pilipinas? Puro bawal. Sino pangalan, Kuya?
Hindi po namin alam.
Yung boses lang po.
Hindi niyo pa po naririnig si Kuya?
Hindi ko napansin. Yung
Kanina.
nakaupo dyan.
Opo. Ivan.
Si Ivan.
Ay, hindi po si Ivan.
Punta ka na.
Si Bang.
Confession mo.
Hindi po.
Sino kaya yun? Si Ivan?
Hindi po. Hindi po namin kasama dito
Uy,
sa
baka
loob ng bahay.
malay mo.
Oo, yun nga.
Habang si Lola Lourdes,
Did you write all your songs in paper?
No, I did not.
No? Just here?
Right nga po.
I write your song.
Listen to the voice that sings of love.
Listen to the...
Listen to my sentimental
To my
voice.
sentimental voice.
I can tell back in the day, she was writing songs just like that. And she was feeling everything that she was writing.
Happiness is near, that your loving care.
Those were so meaningful. And like they were so, everything was just pure poetry.
The voice that sings of love, a melody of tango de amor.
Such a good song.
sa pagkanta ni Lola Lourdes, naalala ni Brett ang lola niya na makakalimutin na rin.
Na-miss mo ba ang pagkanta ng lola mo?
Yeah.
How do you bond together?
I take care of her. Like, I'm the one who usually cooks dinner for her. Sometimes I feel bad, like, I have to give up my teenage life, you know, like, I don't really get to go out much because I really have to take care of her. But then, at the same time, like, I owe my whole life to her in the first place. So I'm really glad that I even got to spend my time with her and that she even gets to live with us. I wouldn't have it any other way.
Tumulog kayo, ha?
Yes,
Ikaw muna. Higa.
Si Lola Vita mukhang naiinip na.
Susunduin na ba kami?
La, anong pangalan ko?
Kalimutan ko na.
Jenny!
Ako.
We should have
Lola,
asked.
ako. Their hands are really pangit, pero when they touch my skin, oh my god, really nice. It's better than my ex-girlfriend. It's more warm. It's more, I can feel something. Anong pangalan ko?
Yun, bang!
Love?
I'm 18 and the Lola picture is 86. My mom will get shocked if, yeah. Me, Korean soccer player like this.
What I mean is respect.
Oh yeah, respect, love. Not, yeah.
Not the romantic.
Yeah,
kind.
not the romantic or like hot love, something not like that.
And I'm in love the first time I laid my lips on yours. Now you're walking out my door.
Ano kanta yan?
I'm in love with you.
English ba yan?
Opo, English.
English po.
Mahina talaga tinga ko.
What?
Hindi ko naintindihan kung English ba kinakanta niyo kung Pastilla.
Weak.
Old people look old, but their hearts are more younger than us.
Si Ryan sinubukang basahan ng Biblia si Lola Vita.
Biblia ng sambayang ng Pilipino. Nang tawagin ng Diyos si Abraham na ninuno ni Kristo. Matagal nang narito ang mundo. Inilalahad natin sa sundo ang ilang bagay-bagay tungkol sa lumipas na kasaysayan.
Ryan, sigurado ka bang naiintindihan ni Lola Vita yung pinapabasa mo?
Ayaw mo.
Hindi na tama na yan.
No.
Pahinga ka na.
I'm so sorry. Next day I practice.